Imagine living in a cozy, self-sufficient tiny home, where every material used is eco-friendly and supports a sustainable future. Building a tiny house with nature's help is more than a trend, it's a movement toward greener living and a healthier planet. In this video, we'll guide you through the best sustainable materials to construct your dream tiny house while keeping it energy efficient, cost-effective, and environmentally responsible. From bamboo and reclaimed wood to earth-based building techniques, we'll explore how you can design a beautiful, functional home that minimizes your carbon footprint. If you love sustainable architecture, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Nuance Art, and leave a comment on which material interests you the most. Now, let's dive into the world of green building. The foundation is the first step in building a tiny house, and making an eco-friendly choice can greatly reduce your home's environmental impact. Traditional concrete is known for its high carbon footprint, but there are more sustainable alternatives. One option is helical piers, which minimize soil disruption and can be easily removed or reused. Rammed earth foundations are another natural choice, using compressed soil and minimal cement to create a sturdy base. If you prefer a movable tiny home, reclaimed wood or steel trailers offer a solid, reusable foundation with minimal waste. Choosing the right foundation depends on your location, budget, and whether you plan to keep your home stationary or mobile. By selecting a low-impact foundation, you can ensure that your tiny house is built on a strong, sustainable base that harmonizes with the environment. Wood is one of the most popular materials for tiny homes, but not all wood is created equal when it comes to sustainability. Reclaimed wood is an excellent choice, as it repurposes existing materials from old barns, shipping pallets, or demolished buildings, reducing deforestation and waste. Each piece of reclaimed wood carries a unique character, adding charm and history to your home. If reclaimed wood isn't available, look for FSC-certified lumber, which comes from responsibly managed forests. Engineered wood products like cross-laminated timber CLT are also sustainable options, providing durability while using fewer raw materials. By choosing ethically sourced wood, you contribute to forest conservation and ensure that your tiny house is built with materials that respect the planet. Bamboo is often called the green steel of sustainable construction, and for good reason. This fast-growing plant matures in just 3 to 5 years, compared to decades for traditional hardwood trees. Its natural strength and flexibility make it an ideal building material for tiny homes, whether used for flooring, walls, or structural components. Bamboo is also naturally resistant to pests, reducing the need for chemical treatments. Additionally, it absorbs more carbon dioxide than most trees, helping to combat climate change. While not all bamboo is harvested sustainably, choosing FSC-certified or locally sourced bamboo ensures responsible usage. Whether you're looking for an eco-friendly alternative to hardwood or want to add an organic aesthetic to your home, bamboo is a versatile and renewable resource worth considering. Insulation is key to making a tiny house energy efficient, and natural materials like straw bale and hempcrete offer sustainable alternatives to synthetic insulation. Straw bale construction provides exceptional thermal performance, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. It's also highly fire resistant and biodegradable, making it a great choice for eco-conscious builders. Hempcrete, made from hemp fibers, lime, and water, is another excellent insulation material that's lightweight, mold-resistant, and breathable. Both options reduce reliance on synthetic foams, which often contain harmful chemicals. By incorporating natural insulation, you create a healthier indoor environment while reducing your home's overall carbon footprint. Your tiny house's roof plays a crucial role in sustainability, and there are several eco-friendly options to explore. A living roof, also known as a green roof, is an innovative way to blend your home with nature while providing insulation, reducing stormwater runoff, and improving air quality. Recycled metal roofing is another durable and sustainable choice, as it is often made from post-consumer materials and can last for decades with minimal maintenance. For those who prefer a rustic aesthetic, reclaimed clay tiles or wooden shingles from sustainable sources add character while being environmentally friendly. Choosing the right roofing material ensures that your tiny home remains energy efficient and in harmony with the natural world. Windows and doors not only impact your home's appearance, but also its energy efficiency. Opting for double or triple glazed windows reduces heat loss, keeping your tiny house comfortable year-round while lowering energy costs. Sustainable materials like reclaimed wood or FSC-certified timber make excellent choices for doors and window frames. If you're looking for modern options, consider windows made from recycled aluminum or fiberglass, which are durable and energy efficient. Additionally, strategically placing windows for passive solar heating can reduce the need for artificial heating and cooling. By investing in high-quality, eco-friendly windows and doors, you enhance both the aesthetics and functionality of your sustainable tiny home. Water conservation is essential in a tiny house, and incorporating sustainable plumbing solutions can significantly reduce waste. Rainwater harvesting systems collect and filter rainwater for household use, providing an off-grid water source. Low-flow fixtures, such as composting toilets, water-efficient sinks, and showers, help minimize water consumption without compromising comfort. Additionally, greywater recycling systems allow you to repurpose water from sinks and showers for irrigation or flushing toilets. By designing your plumbing with sustainability in mind, you can drastically cut down on water waste and create a self-sufficient tiny home that supports eco-friendly living. The final touches of your tiny house should be as eco-friendly as its structure. Conventional paints, stains, and finishes often contain volatile organic compounds (VOCs) that can release harmful fumes into your indoor air. Instead, opt for non-toxic paints made from natural ingredients like clay, milk, or plant oils. Lime wash is another excellent choice, offering durability, breathability, and an earthy aesthetic. For wood finishes, consider natural oils like tung or linseed oil, which protect surfaces without the need for harsh chemicals. Using these eco-friendly alternatives ensures a healthier indoor environment while keeping your home free from toxins. Building a tiny house with Mother Nature's help is an exciting journey that allows you to live sustainably without compromising on comfort or style. By choosing eco-friendly materials such as reclaimed wood, bamboo, straw bale insulation, and rainwater systems, you create a home that is in harmony with the environment. Every decision you make from the foundation to the finishes plays a role in reducing your carbon footprint and promoting a greener future. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe to Nuansa Art for more home design inspiration, and comment below on which sustainable material you'd love to use in your tiny house. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.